Hey, do you wish you could move your HubSpot chat bubble or bot bubble to the left? And why in the world would you want to do that? Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, I'm your boy George B. Thomas, back again from SprocketTalk.com with another educational video. In today's video, we're going to look at the chat bubble and the bot bubble and being able to move it from the right, where it's always lived, to the left. Why would you want to do this? Well, there might be other software that uses that right-hand side. Maybe you want to put something else there, but you don't want to lose the functionality of your HubSpot chat or HubSpot bot. The other thing is maybe you want to look different. Like, I know it's a subtle change, but everybody on the right, everybody looking the same, if you get their attention because it's on the left, then how much can it change the way that people would interact with it? And here's another scenario. Maybe you take 2 weeks, 30 days, a quarter, and actually test how many interactions do you get with your chat widget when it's on the right, and how many chat interactions or bot interactions do you get when it's on the left. As marketers, we should always be testing, but to be able to do any of these, we need to know how to take it from the right side to the left side, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Let's get into the good stuff.
All right, when you first get into your HubSpot portal, you're going to go Conversations and you're going to go Inbox. And then what you're going to be able to do is go to Inbox Settings, and then you're going to see that there is Chat here. That's going to take you to the Chat settings. Once you're in this settings, you'll see the Customize, and yes, where it used to be that you could only place the chat widget on the right, you can simply put it on the left. So let me go ahead and show you real quick on SprocketTalk.com. Here it is on the left, and that leaves our right side open for other widgets or other things, and also grabs attention where maybe people are starting to not pay attention to this right side. But if I come back here, I can simply click the right side, hit save, and if I come over back to SprocketTalk.com and refresh the screen, you're gonna see that my chat bubble is now on the right. So this might be where you're at right now. So simply go into these settings sections, click on the left hand, click save, and then refresh your screen, and you should be good to go.
Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you head over to SprocketTalk.com, where we have a ton of other resources for you as a HubSpot user. Find updates, tutorials, interviews, and more at SprocketTalk.com. Make sure you give us thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Heck, what am I talking about? Do whatever you want to do, but make sure you're being a happy, helpful, humble human along the way, and of course, doing some happy HubSpotting.